Here's how we can cash out on Coinbase. So I'll show you how we can do it on browser as well as on the mobile app. So first we will need to select my assets, then choose cash, withdraw cash, and we just gotta enter the amount as is being shown right here. Afterwards, we will select transfer to and choose the destination. Then we wanna click on preview and withdraw cash now. So it's gonna look a little something like this. We select withdraw and type the amount, preview, and we withdraw the money. Now on the app, we will need to select transfer, then withdraw. Again, we will have to enter the amount and select withdraw maximum amount to withdraw all of our funds if we want to do that. Confirm the selection for withdraw and transfer to. Again, we'll click on preview and choose withdraw now, and it's going to look a little something like this, the amount. And here, if you have connected your banking account to Coinbase, you can withdraw it to your account, and that's how you do it. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.